Melting Ice and Rising Seas team is made up of more than 20 geologists, glaciologists, climate and social scientists, and also the support team members from Te Herenga Waka, Victoria University of Wellington, led by the university's Antarctic Research Centre, Te Puna Pātiotio, GNS Science, and NIWA. Nominator Professor Dame Jane Francis, Director of British Antarctic Survey, says the team has put New Zealand at the forefront of global environmental research and made outstanding contributions to what is a major topic of concern for the world.
I'm Tim Naish. I'm a professor here at Victoria University of Wellington. I'm privileged to be the leader of this team that's just won the Prime Minister's Science Prize.
There are many important things that we need to address in the world. Climate change is obviously one of the major ones, and the Antarctic ice sheet is a key part of the climate system.
So what we have found is that Antarctica, the Ross Ice Shelf, the ocean changed so much faster than we even anticipated.
We showed for the first time that if the world warms by 2 to 3 degrees, which we're well on track to doing, and we have 400 parts per million carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is the current concentration we have right now. The last time the world had a climate like that, sea level was 20 metres higher. The West Antarctic ice sheet collapsed, and bits of the East Antarctic ice sheet disappeared, and bits of Greenland disappeared.
What we struggle with are the rates of retreat. How quickly can it go? And that's really what we're interested in terms of policy relevance. The work we do in the geological records feed into the work that the climate modelers and the ice sheet modelers do to understand the rates. So we can understand how warm was it, how warm were the oceans, why did the oceans get warm, and the modelers can start saying, well, we can put these numbers into our models and see what's the response of the ice sheet to warming an ocean by a couple of degrees Celsius.
Sea level rise is a big issue for us. You know, we have a lot of infrastructure, a lot of housing and so on, very close to sea level. So as the ice sheets melt, then the sea level goes up.
If we're going to be prepared for and plan for what's coming in the future with sea level rise and how New Zealand must adapt to it, this is where our research is having a direct impact on planning and decision making and making New Zealand resilient to climate change.